Okay, I did a previous video on a bit of a bike ride using this microphone inside my helmet, and someone asked, what exactly do you use? Okay, so this is a GoPro mount. I'll just show you that. Okay, so that's the GoPro mount. You have to, there's a bit of a knack for these, you have to push them in. I'm doing it one-handed. Anyway, there we go. And it's on a bit of a slide, and there's a lock at the bottom here, very, very small lock. See that? That goes across. So you pull it out all together, and then you fit your GoPro. This is a GoPro 7. I've had it for a few years. It's got a cracked screen at the back. You probably can't see that. There it is, and it's still going strong, so that's fine. So then you put this slide. You've got to be careful, make sure it locks into position, because otherwise you could lose the GoPro. All right. So in conjunction with your GoPro mount, you're going to need a mic. I can't remember what it's called now. I'll put it in a link in the description down below, and it's a proper GoPro, like a splitter. It's a microphone adapter. That's what it really is. And you need this. You can't do it without this, really, to be honest with you. I've tried every option, and you definitely need this. So you pop that in there like so, and then you've got a reasonably cheap mic. Now, the mic you buy, this is all I got. This is it, just a simple, cheap mic. But look at the end of this one. This is the most important bit, if you can see that, if it's in focus. It's only got 2 rings. I think it's ground and earth. Let me just show you that if I can. You got that? See that? Not the 3. The 3 doesn't work. I can't get that into focus. Sorry, folks. Let's have a look. Then put it on there. See if I can put it there and get a good focus on it. Here we go. There, just the 2, not the 3. 3s don't work, so the 2 little rings, that's all you need. That's the only way I can say about it. Right, that then goes in, zoom back out, to the side of the GoPro adapter. Okay, there. Then the other mic part goes into your helmet. But now what you've got to do, you've got to fit this as well. So this is what has to go in the side of the GoPro, and you'll see, oh, there's a door on there. You have to take that door off, and I'll show you that now. Okay, now I'm going to try and do this one-handed. So to take the door off, you must slide it down to open it, and then you should be able to just pop it off gently. There we go, just like that. And when you put it back on, okay, well, if it's closed, you've got to open it. Okay, it's got to be open to put it back on again. Sorry about that. So if it's closed, reopen it, and then it'll slide back on to your GoPro. So what you do then, put the GoPro back in your thing. But you're going to have to make this on a bit of a good day, because they're not that waterproof, to be honest with you, like this. Even though some of the GoPros are waterproof, and this one, but it's got a cracked screen, so slide that back in. Okay, make sure he goes all the way. You'll see him clip in there. All right, then you'll have access to your GoPro on the side, which goes into the same side as the charging port. It won't fit anywhere else anyway. So sliding is a bit awkward, and this is a very tight sort of bend, and you're not going to break it. It's fine. Okay. And that what fits in there like that. What fits in there like that, lad. Anyway, that fits in there like that nicely, and that's it really. I've got, this is my swivel GoPro mount, which for motorbikes you can just Google that and that'll come up with that. So then you got the mic, and it works absolutely perfect. This is inside my helmet at 60 miles an hour. There is no wind, and it absolutely works a treat. I can't fault it. So I just thought I'd show you what I'm using for my microphone when I'm on the bike. And that's it. Standard two ringed. I don't know what that means. I think it's like a stereo, but it's a stereo ground, or just a positive ground, I think it says. I can't remember what it was, but that's it. So just the 2. All right, just the 2. They won't work otherwise. If you have 3, it does not work. Actually, I've tried it. I've made the mistake. paid the money, pointless. And you have to have this boxy thing at the bottom, all right? Otherwise it doesn't work either, as far as I know. If this helps, great. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. That would be fantastic. Take care, and we'll definitely see you in the next one. All the best.